Today we are going to do some craft stuff. From craft, paper. We are going to make today a dog, a boat, a frog, and did I forgot? A shark. Let's move on. Let's start. Oh, where's my paper? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, here are they. So first I'm gonna make a shark. The red paper is gonna be his mouth. So I'm gonna put it on the side. And now let's move on to the shark. For the shark, we have to make like an aeroplane like this, equal sides. But there's a twist. You have to do it both sides. One side and the second side. This is an aeroplane, but not anymore. Because this is not an airplane. And then I'll do it here. Then you have to turn over like this. Then you have to do same thing one more time. And then turn over. Like this. And the last one. And we did it. Let's flip. So we're gonna get like this. And then flip it and do it like this. So you can adjust. Then put these squares, you can put your fingers on it and fit your hand. It's very hard, but you can do it, I know. So it's gonna be like this. Roar, 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 roar. Like that, I was talking about this. Oh no, you won't. Yes, I was. So let's move on to the mouth. For the mouth, we need the same size of red paper. So let's cut up. Oh, I forgot. Where is that red paper? Oh yeah, here are they. So I have 4 of them. I forgot to tell you, you need to get them more smaller. First they were big, then smaller, then more smaller. And why I got 4 pieces? Because one for here, then one for here, one for here, and one for here. So now we need glue. So let's stick them up. So guys, as you can see, the shark's mouth is all ready. I paste red paper on its mouth. And see, now it can do like this. Like this. Then if you want, you can add teeth. I will add every 4 piece because if I'm doing like this and I do this here, I did not put teeth, and here I put, that's not gonna be good. So I'll cut. So teeth are gonna be triangle. I'll just show you in a moment. So our shark has some teeth. Here's our shark's teeth all over the red portion, and when we will do like this, it will have teeth. can put any side the shark's face this way and this way. You can put it any side you want. I will put it, let me see. Okay, I got it. I'll use a Sharpie to make its eyes. Make its eyes here. Dark and courageous. That he's very mad. I know it's looking funny. I really do not. Okay, something went wrong. So, our shark, it's ready. Our shark is ready. So now, let's move on to the next one. So guys, next we are gonna make a puppy. We have to make a triangle. Then fold it on this side. Then we have to make the puppy's ear. Try to keep them equal. Yeah, this is equal. Then we have to get top for its mouth. We have to take some sketch pens. I'll take Sharpies. I'll take black and brown. These two I will use. I'll use black. First, you have to make a circle, then a little more circle, and color the other part, but not the circle. You can make your boy, if you want to make a boy, do like up, from up, and if you want a girl, you can do like this. I want a girl. Same thing for the other eye you have to do. But the small circle will be in the other side. And the eyelashes too. Like this. Then we need to take brown. Brown will be its nose. And you can color it up. Like this. Then take again black and make small spots. I made a little bigger, but it's okay. Then we need a small red tongue. Guys, I have my red paper. You can use any utensil to cut the tongue. You can use a scissor or a knife, but knife is not safe. You should use scissors. They are safe. But if you do not know how to use scissors, ask your parents to use scissors. I'll use a blade. If you do not want to use scissor, you can use blade. And if you use this blade, be careful and ask your mother and father to do. And blade gives a finishing touch to it, so you be careful, okay guys, if you use it. Do not make it too thick. Here is tongue coming out. Here is a tiny tongue for this little puppy. It will go not here. People usually make a mistake to stick here. You should stick it right here. So guys, I stick the puppy tongue onto puppy like this. You can even curl it like this, like a curly tongue. Now let's move on to the other crafts we are drawing. These are ones that I made today. Watch my part 2 of the frog and the boat. Like, share and subscribe and see my other channels. Until then, bye.